Artificial intelligence is already inside all of our work as researchers and clinicians. And I think that this is only the beginning of the question, because we are facing a revolution that we can only embrace. And if we want to be better clinicians and better researchers, we have to use AI, which is the key question. The key question is that we don't have to fear AI, because AI is here to support us as clinicians and as researchers. How? Because AI is a tool that is able to manage data, a vast amount of data, and it does better than us because it's a machine, and so it functions better than human mind. But our intelligence, our reasoning, our compassion, ethics, empathy could not be substituted anyhow. So AI can only support hematology and lead hematology to a new standard of excellence. And as a clinician and as a researcher, we should trust, but not have an over-reliance in it. And the true balance could be found only if we understand to use it as a tool, as it is. It is a tool, it's taught to function as a machine, and we don't have to pretend any else. And we should remember where we started as clinician and as researcher. Our mind and our heart are irrepressible.